Good evening, class. My name is Jacqueline Sanchez, and today's date is February the 28th. This is week 8, and we are going to discuss our lab report called Reflex and Sensory Physiology. And sorry about my cat. She just likes to be involved in everything. We're going to discuss exercise 2, and I will read the directions out loud. Exercise 2, the blind spots and after images. In this exercise, you will test your blind spots after images. Procedure. Blind spot test. Gather a piece of white paper, which is right here. Stop. My cat's on it. I'll show her. And then a pencil, which I'm going to show. A pencil, pair of scissors, measuring tape, and a volunteer. Prepare a piece of paper shown as figure 10, which is right here. The measurements. That's part 2. For part A, measure 5 centimeters down and upward from the edges of the paper, and then 2 centimeters towards right and then the left of the paper. Draw an X of a location. Make sure 7 centimeters is in the middle of the X, of the little, not the X, the add sign, I would say, yeah. Towards the right side of the paper and 5 centimeters down from the top edge of the paper. Draw a small circle of 0.5 centimeters in diameters of the location. Use a pen or a pencil to complete the fill in the circles. Measure 2 centimeters to the right of the circle and make sure that you mark them with the pen or a pencil. Use the edges of the ruler to make the line of the perpendicular of the top of the edge of your paper. So perpendicular, the line intersects with 2 centimeters of the making to the right to the circle. Measure 5 centimeters downward from the add symbol. Make a small mark on their paper with the pen and the pencil, and then measure 5 centimeters downward from the circle. And make a small mark with your pencil. F. Use the ruler of the intersect with the marks downward from the circle and extend the images. So sorry. So we'll get back to that, and you can find the directions in this week's lab packet that looks like this. I just like to separate the actual exercise instructions versus information in our packet separately because it's more organized, I would say. And our lab handout looks like this. And the blank piece of paper is right here. And I will start measuring with my ruler.